Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler, and on today's, we're going to introduce myself. My name is Louie, and I've been doing model cars for most of my life, so I'm about 5-6 years old. And I'd like to share myself with the world. I am autistic. What I do is try to share my talents and show people that autism is not going to hold you back. Share your talents, share your art, whatever you love, do that. And I can't express that anymore. Mostly express yourself and try to get yourself out there and come out of your shell. It's tough, I know. Basically, I was diagnosed when I was already away in an adult. So it's tough to take. So if you believe yourself is autistic, there's several things you can do online to check, but check with your doctor and professionals and get yourself diagnosed. It will help you. It's not a label, okay? The best thing I can do for you is to get yourself checked out if you believe so. Not one or two symptoms, but it's a whole long line of life experiences, okay? So, social situations are tough for me. Coming to the club meetings for models, even though it's something I enjoy, it's tough for me to do. Luckily, I have a great wife that helps me through a lot of things. She helps me do a lot of stuff. And once I get comfortable, then you'll see me come out, but they got a thing that's called masking. So it looks like I'm having a good time, but I'm really struggling through things. It's tough. It really is. But the best I can do to come out of my shell is to build cars. This is me right here. All these cars. This is a little bit of me in every one of this. It helps me cope. It helps me do a lot of things. And the best thing I can tell you to do is to cope and do what you love to do, be it cars or drawing or painting or anything like that. It don't even have to be anything with your hands. It could be reading a book. It could be watching your favorite movie. So what have you seen it 1,000 times? Watch it again. You enjoy it, and that's what makes you feel good. This is what helps me cope. So anyways, let's show more of what I do. All right, are we ready? Let's do this. All right, let's go look at my room. First of all, you can see this is my workstation. This is where I film my videos. A little disorganized, but it works for me. Let's go over here a little bit. And this is my wall of cars. I built every one of these. Every one is built by me, has a little touch of me in everything. And they're pretty much everywhere. My wife's idea was to hang them on the wall to display the box art. And they go up around there, like that. Those two cars there are cars I used to own when I was younger. They're both 58 Fords. And I had those a long time. Neat cars. And we'll go over here. They go along the roof there, the walls. Let's get a little closer to see some of them. And this wall here is all my Nascars. Right there. Let's look at it close and zoom in on some of these here. I'm really proud of this one. Can you see that? That's a 65 holes. I got that from Lucas C, and I built it over the month of the last meeting. It worked out really well. I like that car. There's a couple of them from my videos there. Cab, a Coke truck, and a Dodge van there. And this is my photo booth. My photo booth where I photograph the cars at the end of the videos. We go over here a little bit. Move real slow. That's my paint booth where I paint everything. You see that on my videos. I got a glass case full of cars. This was from my first video, that Cadillac. All my stuff. Concrete mixer, snowplow, bulldozer, and back around here. Well, that's my room. This is much where I make all the movies and build everything. Well, I hope you enjoy what I do. And if you suspect yourself as autistic, have yourself checked out and get yourself some professional help. It's nothing wrong with it. So, anyways, I'm glad I was here to show you what I do, what helps me cope. So, until next time, this is the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.